With so many cryptocurrencies out there, and with more and more wallets and DeFi platforms and cryptocurrency exchanges popping up faster than you can blink, it's becoming harder and harder to find the best place to earn top interest on your cryptocurrencies. In this video, I've put together a list of the top 7 highest interest-bearing cryptocurrencies that can help you make your cryptos work harder for you by earning more passive income. If you haven't already done so, do take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you can get similar content that can help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. In the 7th position is Harmony, which you can find on Binance at an interest rate of 9%. In 6th position is ALGO, and you can get 9% on Binance and 0.5% on Crypto.com. So that means if your ALGO is sitting on Crypto.com, you may want to consider moving it to Binance. At number 5 is Balancer, and for Balancer, you can get it on the Aave DeFi platform at an interest rate of 9.1%. For US customers only, you can get it on GEMINI at 1.5%. Number 4 on our list of top 7 cryptocurrencies with the highest interest rate is Curve. And you can find that 8% interest rate on Aave and on GEMINI at 1.8%. At number 3 is MATIC, one of my personal favorites. And on the Cesius network, you can get 10.5%, on Crypto.com 6%, and on GEMINI 1.5% for US customers only. In 2nd position is Bitcoin Gold with an interest rate of 9.3%. This you can find on CoinLend. And at the top of the list is the SNX Synthetic Network token, with which you can get 14% interest rate if you have it on the Cesius network, 6.1% interest if you have it on the Aave network, and 1.8% on GEMINI. And here you can see a full list of other high interest bearing coins as well as stable coins. Now, it is important that you regularly check on what interest your coins are earning, since the rates that are quoted are subject to change. Now, if you are considering using any of the wallets mentioned in this video, Nexo, Cesius, GEMINI, or BLOCKFI, then I would appreciate that you use my referral links that are in the description box below. This ensures that we both receive whatever monetary incentives each of these wallets have to offer. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video.
you.